Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering down the console and unplugging everything. This prevents damage and data loss. Once done, wait 10 to 15 minutes to let internal power bleed off. Place the PS5 on a padded flat surface and remove the right bezel by lifting the corner and sliding gently. Make sure you've got a small container to store the M2 slot screw and standoffs. Now locate the M2 slot cover. This is your entry point. Proceed carefully to avoid scratching the case. Next, remove the M2 cover and the standoff screw. Keep parts organized. Insert the NVMe SSD into the slot at about a 30-degree angle so the gold contacts seat fully. This prevents misalignment and bent pins. Press the SSD down gently and secure it with the standoff screw. Use the correct standoff point for the drive length, since sizes range from 2,230 up to 22,110. Once fixed, reapply the thermal pad or cover accordingly. Finally, replace the M2 cover and snap the side panel back into place. Reconnect power and display cables, then boot the PS5. The console will detect the new drive and prompt you to format it. Make sure you follow on-screen prompts to initialize the SSD. If the system doesn't see the drive, power down and reseat the SSD and screw. Verify the NVMe meets requirements. PCIe Gen 4x4 and at least 250 GB. And confirm your PS5 is on the latest firmware before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.